In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a trade on Stonk Journal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a position from your active list safely and confidently, without second-guessing what to click. We'll start by getting signed in. Open the Stonk Journal website or app and log into your account. Make sure you're on a trusted connection and use the official login page so your credentials stay secure. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can see an overview of your trading activity. Next, navigate to your active trades. This section shows the positions you currently have open in your journal. If you have a lot of entries, use any available filters or search tools to quickly locate the position you want to close. Taking a moment to find the exact trade helps you avoid removing the wrong one. Now, select the specific trade you want to close. Open its details to verify everything matches what you intend to remove: ticker, entry date, size, and any notes you may have added. This quick verification step is important. If you track performance or want a snapshot for your records, consider jotting down your key numbers or taking a screenshot before moving on. With the correct trade open, click Delete Trade. On Stonk Journal, closing an active position is performed through the delete action. The button may appear as text or an icon, depending on your device, but it serves the same purpose. It removes the trade from your active trades list. When you click delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Read it carefully. This message explains exactly what will happen when you confirm, whether the trade is removed only from your active list or fully deleted from your journal history. If you're comfortable with the outcome, confirm the deletion. If not, simply cancel and review the trade again before proceeding. After you confirm, the trade will disappear from your active trades. Take a moment to refresh the page or return to your dashboard to make sure the change is reflected. If you don't see the update right away, a quick refresh usually resolves it. A few final tips: double-check the trade before confirming, read the pop-up so there are no surprises, and keep any records you might need later. That's it. Simple, clear, and done. You've successfully closed a trade on Stonk Journal by deleting it from your active list.